I'm Jay Desio with Drone-Works. We've been wondering how the Autel EVO will perform in cold weather. Let's take a look. While winter isn't quite here yet, it's 21 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so we thought we'd get a mild winter test flight in and see how the EVO does. Any cold weather flying requires a few precautions and proper preparation. We'll cover that in another video soon. For this test, our flight battery was fully charged and at a room temperature of 65 degrees. Outside surface temperature was 21 degrees Fahrenheit, with winds at 9 miles an hour gusting to 18 miles per hour. At 400 feet, winds aloft were approximately 16 miles an hour gusting to 35 miles per hour, with a temperature of approximately 19 degrees Fahrenheit. After the initial takeoff, we let the aircraft hover at 10 feet for 15 seconds and then climbed straight up to 400 feet AGL. By the time we climbed to 400 feet AGL, the battery was already at 72.1 degrees Fahrenheit and continued to increase. Over the next several minutes, we flew the aircraft at maximum speed, 22 miles an hour in this setting, and the temperature increased to its highest temperature of 75.9 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to keep your remote and mobile device as warm as possible. The batteries in the remote and mobile device do not function well in the cold. Your mobile device will most likely be the first to have problems. If your mobile device shuts off, unplug the cable to the mobile device and press the display button on the remote to display the live feed on the built-in display of the remote. It is recommended that the flight be terminated as soon as possible. We will continue to test the Autel EVO as the temperatures continue to decrease this winter. Subscribe now to the Drone-Works YouTube channel so you don't miss any updates. And please, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.